Are you looking for the best travel high chairs for families? In this video we will look at some of the best travel high chairs for families on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Summer Infant Deluxe Comfort Folding Booster. Who else recommends it? Mom Loves Best and Trip Savvy both picked the Summer Infant Deluxe Comfort Folding Booster. 12 What do buyers say? 80% of 100 plus Amazon reviewers rated this product 4 stars or above. We love this booster because it's affordable, durable, and easy to clean. Crafted with BPA-free materials in 3 adorable designs, this chair has 2 height levels and 2 separate straps that secure it safely to a standard chair. It also has a 3-point harness to buckle your baby in and keep them secure. It's safe to use for babies 6 months and up and has a 33-pound weight limit. Other features include a removable tray and fabric seat cover. The tray can be used for eating or removed so your baby can scoot right up to the table. It has 3 different position options and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Meanwhile, the seat cover provides some soft support against your baby's back. It can be removed and tossed in the washing machine when it needs to be cleaned. The bottom of the seat is made of durable plastic which can simply be wiped down if dirted. Finally, this seat folds down neatly for easy carrying, transport, and storage. At number 2. Nuby Easy Go Booster Seat. This seat is super lightweight and folds down compactly so it is perfect for travel. It features 2 straps to safely secure it to a chair as well as a removable pad for extra comfort and height. There is a storage pocket on the back of the seat that can hold utensils or a small toy, and the seat is equipped with a strong 3-point harness for extra safety. While it does not include a tray, this seat can accommodate toddlers weighing up to 50 pounds. At number 3. Pottery Kids Inglesina Fast Table Chair. This lightweight seat uses adjustable, non-slip clamps to firmly attach to tables between 0.8 and 3.3 inches thick. When it's not in use, it folds down compactly into the small carrying case that it comes with. The Inglesina Fast Table Chair is designed with parents and babies in mind, from its quick setup at most tables to its durable construction. This baby high chair will allow for a quick and easy mealtime whether at home or on the go, and includes an integrated travel-friendly carry bag. Travel with legendary Inglesina style and fine Italian design, this table chair features simple twist-tight couplings and is compatible with most types of tables up to 3.5 thick, and leaving them scratch-free. The fast table chair is comfortable too, featuring a lifted backrest, firm seat, and fabric-covered wide tubes. Traveling is a breeze with this baby chair. The fold-flat closing system was designed for easy setup and hassle-free operation. The optional dining tray accessory features deep borders surrounding the eating surface to help keep food on the tray, and snaps easily onto the fast table chair's arms. Dimensions when open, 14 x 17 x 11. Dimensions when closed, 14 x 17 x 4. Weight, 4.2 pounds. Max allowable weight, 37 pounds. March 2016 update. The Inglesina Fast Table Chair is compliant to the newly released ASTM F1235-15 Federal Safety Standard. At number 4. Summer Pop and Sit Portable Highchair. Available in several fun colors, this chair can be set up as a floor seat. It features a removable tray that is dishwasher safe and comes with a storage backpack for easy transport. The company also sells a nearly identical booster seat with a strap that will attach it to a standard chair. Kids between 6 months and 4 years old, or up to 45 pounds, can safely use this floor seat, which is equipped with a 3-point harness. When it's not in use, simply fold the seat up like a camping chair and then pop it back up the next time you need it. The Summer Pop and Sit Portable Highchair is the perfect chair for your little one. Whether you need a highchair for dining at a restaurant, a chair at the park, or even a seat at home, this highchair is your all-in-one solution. Use as an activity seat to entertain baby or use as an elevated booster seat at the table. Cleanup is easy with the machine washable fabric and the removable, BPA-free and dishwasher-safe tray. Featuring an innovative pop and fold design that sets up in seconds, a compact fold, and included carry bag, the Pop and Sit Portable Highchair is easy to bring with you on all your adventures, both indoors and outdoors. At number 5. Chicco Pocket Snack Booster Seat. This chair attaches to a standard dining chair and features 3 height options to help your little one reach the table. It includes a removable tray with 3 position options and a 3-point harness for safety. When it's not in use, this seat folds down compactly and features a carrying strap for easy transport. It's designed for babies 6 months old who can sit unassisted, to kids up to 3 years old or under 50 pounds, whichever comes first. The Chicco Pocket Snack Booster Seat features easy-to-clean surfaces, 3 tray positions, 3 height adjustments, and a 3-point harness. The convenient carry strap and compact fold make this seat easy to take along to restaurants, on vacation, or to visit family. The Pocket Snack is designed to be used only on dining chairs. The 2 straps and rubberized feet secure Pocket Snack to the dining chair,